Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Hope you're okay. Happy Tuesday. I hope you're doing okay. I just woke up. It's my day off today. I'm having my cup of coffee. Let's see. My goodness. And we keep on complaining. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. It's cold. And we already know it's going to be cold anyway. I'm up. And I put a load of washing on because I think I need to do some laundry. Demonstration outside Waterloo Station. Some names. I know the name, but I don't want to say the name on this. But it goes, put Britain first, put Britain first. And Parliament is all about immigration and immigration and immigration. And I was sitting yesterday on my lunch break at work, and I ordered something to eat. And this Asian Indian guy was a delivery guy, and he bought my food. And I sat there and I think, what if, I'm just talking about the UK, what if all the immigrants and just say, listen, we take in, say, a month's break, all immigrants, from the delivery driver to the post office worker, to the nurses, to the doctors, to the supermarket workers, the street cleaners, hospitality. And I'm thinking, what if everyone should pack up their stuff and leave the UK for 1 month? All immigrants from everywhere, from every part of the world that lives in the UK. What if they should pack up their stuff and leave Britain for a month and go back to their country to just relax? One of my friends called me yesterday, and she was saying to me she saw an article in the paper or probably on social media, one of the two, and where this supermarket take down all immigrant food products off the shelf. Persons went into the supermarket to pick up their favorite coffee and their chocolate, and they were saying, she said that one of the persons said to the manager, where is, for example, where is the chocolate? And he said to her, you don't want, this country doesn't want immigrants, so we move all immigrant products off the shelf. So you mustn't eat their food. You mustn't go to their restaurants. Chinese, curry house, the Jamaican jerk shop or Jamaican food, Mexican food, all these lovely food, Turkish food. Don't eat it. Don't buy it. Immigrants are taking this. Immigrants, they can't find work because immigrants took them. They can't. It worries me sometimes. I'm an immigrant. I'm a Jamaican. Proud Jamaican. You know? So I'm tackling here today. Look, it's a mess. It's a bloody mess, and I'm tackling it all today. So I got this little, look at my belly, it's very dirty. I got this little jar, and I'm gonna put all of my cotton buds in this jar. £1.80. So I'm gonna have to come and get them. I only have two.